Good morning students. Today in this video I will discuss about unit 3 large numbers. In this we will learn about the numbers. Students, as you know that the numbers plays a very important role in our daily life. For example, if you have to count the number of students in your class, the total number of students in your school, or the total number of population in a city, and so on. So you needs to know about the numbers. As our today topic is large numbers, so here we will discuss about the number in large. Till now in your previous classes you have learned about 7 digit number, 6 digit number, lakh, 10 lakh and all. So how these numbers are increasing? For example, let us take a current example. Now at present the coronavirus is spreading all over the world. So as a number of positive cases increases in large, it creates a problematic situation for the countries to come out from the situation, especially the countries which having large population. Now you are saying in news, reading in newspaper about how the number of cases are increasing and become larger and larger all over the world. So here like that we will learn about what the large numbers. As you know, all counting numbers and the number 0 are known as whole number. What it says, what are the counting numbers which we can count, right? The numbers which we can count are known as counting numbers. Which number we can count? Tell me students. Very good. Numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are we can count with our fingers. So these are called as counting numbers. So if we include 0 in this counting number, what we will get? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and all. So if we include 0 in counting number, we call this type of number as whole numbers. Okay. So all the counting numbers along with 0 is known as whole number. Then as the numbers of digits in a whole number increased by 1, as we will increase the digits in that whole number, they will occupy different places like ones, tens, hundred, thousand and all. So the value of the leftmost place becomes 10 times of that its neighbor. For example, these are numbers 5, 3, 4. How many digits in this number? 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. 534. We will read it as 534. So 4 is at 1's place, 3 is at 10's place, and 5 is at 100 place. So what it says, as the number is increased by 1 in whole number, as the number is increased by 1, the value of the leftmost place, leftmost for ones means for this 4, what is the leftmost place of is tens, that is the number digit is 3. Okay, so it becomes this leftmost place of that the given digit becomes 10 times of that neighbor. It's 10 times. and for this number is also 10 times. So the value of the leftmost place is increased 10 times more of that neighbor. The neighbor of this is this, the neighbor of this is this. So as the value is increases 10 times, so their placement gives them a position in that number. For example, here 4 is at once, so it will be 4. 3 is at tens, so 10 time means 3 into 10, it becomes 30. Okay, so it is as ones, 4 1 ja 4, it is tens. Now about 5 into it is into 100. How? Because it is 50 tens. So 50 tens means 50 into 10 comes 500. So now you can see the places of all the digits. 4 at the ones, 4, 3 at the tens comes 30, 5 at the 100, 500. Like this way we are making the large numbers, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh and so on. Let us see how numbers are increasing. Suppose 9 is the largest one digit number. If we add 1 in 9, we get 10, which is the smallest two digit number, right? And if we talk about 99, so this is the largest two digit number. One digit, two digit, right? If we add 1 in this, it becomes 100, which is the smallest three digit numbers. You can see 1 to 3 digits are there. Like that way only 999 is the largest three digit number, and if we add 1 in this, we will get smallest four digit number, that is 1000. Then 9999 is the largest four digit number, and if we add 1 in this, we will get 10,000, which is the smallest five digit number. Then 99,999 is the largest five digit number, and we add 1, so we will get the smallest six digit number, 1 2 3 4 5 6, that is 1 lakh. So this is the smallest six digit number, and 9,99,999 is the largest six digit number. If we add in this one, we will get the smallest seven digit number, that is 10 lakh. And this is the largest seven digit number, 99,99,999. If we add 1 in this, we will get the smallest eight digit number, which is 1 crore. So students, like this way numbers are increasing. You can see this is first one digit, then comes two digit, then three digit, then four digit, five digit, six digit, seven digit, and like this way it is increasing and become larger and larger. Now see this table given in your textbook, how the numbers are increasing in large. 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh or 100,000, 10 lakh or million, crore or 10 crore, 10 million, 10 crore or 100 million, 100 crore or billion. First it was ones, then 10 increase, then 20 increase, then 30 increase. Now till 100 crore you can see number of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 9 zeros are there and there are total 10 digits. So from 1 how it is going larger and larger and larger. You can see here, and what we call this, as it increase and become larger. So there is a system of grouping these numbers. This system of grouping of number is known as the number system. The system of grouping of number is known as the number system. So about this number system we will learn in our next video. I will explain about the number system in my next video.